Okay guys, it is the third theoretical lessons. We understand in the previous lesson that in neural network, the network is going to optimize the weight. But what we have to optimize? We can change the problem type. Let's say the problem type is classification for now. What we can change? Okay, the things that we can change is learning rate, activation, or this is not important for now. If you don't know what is it, don't be upset. Okay, but activation function, say, let's go to our picture. When we give the data to, let me create a paint here. I don't really like paint, but it's the best way for now. Let's copy this picture and copy a picture and go that to a paint. That's a good one. Let me copy that. It don't need to. Okay, let's open it in a paint. Okay, we don't have paint 3D, I forgot it. Okay, let's just do the work here. We can do the work here too, I think. Okay, let's do it here. For example, we gave the number 1 to this neural network and number 2 to this neural network. Think as the weight is 1 and this weight is that. And what happens when we are going to calculate this line? What happens? This line is going to get something like this. 1 multiplied by 5 and then plus 2 multiplied by 1, and the sum is gonna be this number. Pretty easy. This is what the weight do. Okay, but the activation function is what is activation function. These numbers go to this neuron, and in this neuron sometimes we have ReLU activation function that is this. Let me say x and y. That is this function. What it do is say if the number is minus, it's equal to 0. If the number is higher than 0, is equal to a number. Okay, what it do? The 2 is go to this project and this neuron give out this number. But if we give this neuron, for example, minus 1, it gives us 0. This is the ReLU function. This is the activation function. Or we have tangent h, or some kind of other activation function like sigmoid. Let's see just the picture of sigmoid. This is the sigmoid function. If we give is 2, it give us, for example, if we give is 6, it give us the maximum, and we give is minus 6, it give us minimum. We have some kind of activation function, but the famous are sigmoid, tangent, ReLU, and linear. Now ReLU is working better than these 3 types and giving us better answers. Also, in some creative models, ReLU is working the best. Something like Gemini or ChatGPT, they use ReLU much and more. Okay, you little understand about them, but activation function too. Now in the next lesson, don't forget to like and subscribe. We were going to do some experiments on